Hey guys, it's time to talk about the upgraded flagship killer, the OnePlus 6T. The OnePlus 6 is the best phone of OnePlus. Design wise, specs wise, and even sales wise, it performed very well. But now OnePlus is further improved it by launching the OnePlus 6T. Today's leak confirmed that OnePlus 6T will come with major upgrades. As you can see on the top, it has the water drop notch, and goddamn, look at that, the in-display fingerprint scanner. Here are no specifications leaked yet, but we already know that it's going to have the Snapdragon 845 processor with 8 gigs of RAM, similar to OnePlus 6, which is still the fastest phone in the world with near stock Android and OnePlus optimization. And this also been leaked that the T-Mobile will be selling the OnePlus 6T in US for $550. So the price has increased about $20 compared to the existing OnePlus 6. But imagine you can get the beautiful water drop notch design, in-display fingerprint scanner, Snapdragon 845 processor, and near stock Android Pie in just $550. And I think one thing I missed is the camera. Yes, the camera is now further improved in the OnePlus 6T, and there were rumors that it's going to be the triple camera setup. The first two cameras will be the same as the OnePlus 6, while the third camera you can expect the wide angle lens. Now as for the launch date, according to a new leak, it will be launched on 15 January 2019 instead of this year. So guys, that's all on the OnePlus 6T. Now let me know what do you guys think about it. Are you guys excited for the newly upgraded upcoming flagship killer? Let me know in the comments down below, and please make sure to subscribe for more future content. And yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. See you soon.